What's going on, everybody? I-84 here. We are in downtown Boston, downtown Croston exactly. Basically between downtown Croston and Chinatown. Sorry for the wind. And we are exploring where the Admin Eric radio show, one of our first locations, kicked off, and seeing what's left of it right now. And we're about to see there's not much left to it. We started here in 2010, I believe. And this is what's left of it now. As you can see, there's just some steel beams holding. Basically, I think it's mostly to keep the building from falling in on each other at this point. So this is on Chauncey and Bedford Street. Chauncey Street's up there. We're on actually Bedford Street. So all this right here is where Unregular Radio. That's what it was called. Well, it's right here. Regular radio, and this was the entrance. This is the door. You can see the path, and then there was a little walkway to the back alleyway, which was really creepy. It was like a courtyard. But the door to get upstairs was basically where those red bricks are right there. And you walk up a stairway to the back, and we're on the second floor of the two-story building. I'll try to get a picture of what the street view looks like now. But this is all that remains. This was all exposed outside, anyways. Those support beams, I guess were there the entire time. They look like they're embedded into the building, and I guess you really can't take them out because they're kind of holding the two sides of the building together, and they're kind of embedded inside of the adjacent buildings. You can kind of see the remnants. That's the floor was right there, the second floor of the building. The studio was about right there. We had two windows you could see, and actually, if you look, you can see where the I-beams have been cut, where the roof of the second floor used to be. Now, we started in 2009 at Cyber Station USA in Cambridge, no, in Quincy. And then what happened was we left there around March of 2010, and then we kind of went rogue for a little while. And then it was around December of 2010, we found out about this place, and we started here. And basically behind us was where we had a lot of magic. A lot of episodes were recorded here until this station was finally closed. And then we went over to another area of Boston. It was like a newspaper. The name escapes me. I'll put it down below if I can remember. But it was basically, it was bought out by the newspaper place. It was over in South End. And this place was closed. It was abandoned for years. The first floor was where they used to keep like the street carts for like the food and everything like that. And it was creepy. It smelled really bad, and it was kind of a disgusting looking building. But it was fun. We had some good times in there. We drank some beers, have a good time, and deal with all the crazy people out here at night. We used to do our show from like 10 to 12 midnight. So what's left of it. Then we went to WUML. Oh God, I can't remember. Put that name in Cambridge. So after we left here, we went to Dig Radio in the South End, and then we went to WEMX. Was the name of the radio station. It was run by the same guy who ran this one too. WEMX was in Cambridge. So we went to Dig Radio, and then after that we went to WEMF Radio, was the place in Cambridge we went to, and it was one of the same guys that started this place behind us that no longer exists. And so I'll show you a place where we used to hang out. We used to come here late at night. We used to be able to find parking, no problem, or we'd take the bus in, and I mean, we would just be drinking. It would be Thursday nights. It's actually Thursday night tonight, so this would have been, it's 5 o'clock. I would have been getting out of work, getting home, jumping on the bus with Eric, and heading over to do our show. There's a rat. Oh yeah, we had rats. It was infested pretty bad, but yeah, there's a rat right there. No surprise. There you go. The old Unregular Radio. Perfect. All right, this is one of the bars we used to go to. That was called Good Life. Now, Good Life was a pretty cool bar. They had this really nice bar top in there. Right over through those doors over there. And they had a basement. They used to have music shows in there. So occasionally on Thursdays, we'd pop over here and go do a show. Go see a show and just hang out, have a couple beers. Or we'd go to J.J. Foley's, which coincidentally enough, when we went to the Dig Radio in the South End, there was a J.J. Foley's over there too. So it was almost like we were being followed. See if there's anything left in this place. This is a really cool bar top. I doubt it. Everything looks dark. Windows look frosted. We're pretty much here every Thursday night, for the most part. Either there or there. But yeah, everything's blocked off. I don't even know. Yeah, nothing's even in there. But it was a cool place. But let's go check out JJ Foley since we're down in this area anyways. We did get a lot of sketchy people in this area sometimes because the shelter's over there, the rescue house. So occasionally there'd be some characters, but no one ever bothered us. We always kept to ourselves, and you know, we just had a good time. You know, it was pretty cool. No problems, no issues. And then we were walking right down from downtown crossing, so we could go there and go have.